So a lot of spray guns today still come with standard gravity feed cups. And they work really well, and if you're used to them, keep using them. But I recommend and I prefer using a disposable cup system. On the DeKups line, it's called the DeKups. We have an adapter that we use here, and then we use these pieces. One of the nice things right away is I'm just going to pour it into here, but these are disposable liners, but they still have enough rigidity to it to be able to hold the material. But it's really simple when we set these up. We take one side of the other. I'm going to take it, I'm going to pour my material. Spray. Put the lid on the top. Take the top, tighten it down. And then I always will naturally trigger the gun because when we go to remove this, we'll do the same thing, but I'm going to line up. I've got 3 openings in here. I'm going to take it and it's set up. And then we're going to go over to the spray booth and we're going to hook up air, trigger the gun, and now I'll be able to take the gun and spray it in multiple directions. So let's go do it. So we hooked up our DeKups to our next generation DeKups spray gun. We don't want to flip it over yet. Now what we want to do is we want to get the air out of the system. So we don't want to flip the gun over yet. We're going to put air in the line, and then I'm going to trigger the gun until paint comes out. That gets rid of all the air in the line, and then I'll be able to spray it in any direction possible. What's really nice with these systems, if I need to spray upside down now or in any other directions, I'm going to still maintain that same type of spray pattern. I'm not very good at this, but it still works, okay? So again, it's just going to show you that I can spray in multiple directions and I don't have to worry about anything coming out. When I'm done spraying, I'm going to remove air check. Take it upside down, and I'm going to trigger the gun. This way, when I just take the system off, then it's out here ready to go. And again, I just grab it at the top, and I can disconnect it, and then I can take this and go clean it. Or I have a plug